Welcome everyone to Belinda's Country Living. Today I am outdoors and today's video is a little different than usual. I am not cooking today, at least not in the video. I am doing a product review on a Saker 6-inch mini electric chainsaw. Now the company reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to do a product review on my channel. So after I did my research, I decided, I could possibly use this at my homestead because I do all my outdoor work myself, such as lawn mowing and weed eating and trimming brush and limbs from the trees. So I thought, hey, why not? So that's what I'm doing today, is a product review. But I want to say I'm not affiliated with Saker, nor do I receive a commission. So I'm just reviewing and giving my honest opinion, and I'll be first to tell you I know nothing about chainsaws. I did ask my son, because he has every gadget there possibly is. He filled me in on some little information on chainsaws, but when he looked at the photos on the website, he just like, really? When he saw this little mini chainsaw. Now I've already opened the box to help save time on the video. So we will see. This is how it comes. Very well packed. And set that aside. Oh yes. Ladies, let me tell you, I never thought they was going to send a pink one, but that's okay. So ladies, this is for you. So now it did come with shrink wrap on that, and I already took that off. So let's turn this around. I hope you can see this. Let me bend you down so I can get you a little bit closer. Hopefully. Okay, I've got you down. This is what you get. A carrying case. Plastic, hard plastic. You do get a pair of gloves. Comes with an owner's manual. I suggest you all read that. Yeah. And comes with the saw, 6-inch. Look at that. Wow. Now it has on this 6-inch saw, mini saw, it has a finger guard or a hand guard, which that's nice because when you're trimming branches, it's a little windy out here today, here in Indiana. It will protect your fingers if any limbs hit it. Comes with the chain guard. Yeah. It already came with the chain already pre-installed, which is a good thing because I wouldn't even know without reading the owner's manual on how to put that on there. But there's a little bolt there. And then right in here, there's a little Phillip head screw that you would adjust your chain. So it also comes with a wrench battery charger. And it does have a little LED light on there. Now, my son said when you charge your battery, this will be red, and when it's done, it will light up green. Comes with a little small Phillip head screwdriver. That is to adjust your tension on your chain. A pair of safety glasses. Better always use safety glasses. I always, even when I get on my mower, I always keep a pair of safety glasses on my mower. Because when you're mowing grass, and I mow 2 acres here, plus I mow 2 acres at my sister's. Got a lot of limbs that come over the fence, and they'll slap you right in the face if you don't have them glasses on to protect your eyes. It comes with 2 extra chains. So that gives you a total of 3 because you already have 1 pre-installed. And 2 batteries. Now these are a 20 volt max. It says 20 volt max, 1.5 hour. So you get 2 of them, which that's good. Always make sure one's charged if this battery goes dead on you. So you get 2 batteries. Now, you have to take the battery out of the saw if you're going to charge the battery, because the charger plugs in on top of the battery, and this goes into the wall socket. Wow, it's so windy out here today. So that is what you get in this kit, and I will leave the link in my description for y'all out there to view this if you're interested. It comes with a little small bottle of oil. So we are going to oil this chain, and it doesn't have a oil thing. It's just a miniature chainsaw. So you have to oil the chain just like that. It's cold out here. Should have wore some gloves. So go ahead and oil that really well. And I will tell you at the end of the video what I think about this. I can see this mini chainsaw working out really well for me from using these handheld pruners. I tell you what, I do a lot of it, and I used to keep a pair on my lawnmower, and I would just stand up and cut the limb off. Well, you know, after a while that gets pretty heavy. So with this, I'm going to keep this on my lawnmower, and that's what I'll use. It's lightweight, and it appears to be very well balanced. I know when you take the chain off, you got to unloosen this bolt, take this off, and then take the chain off. So anyway, let's put a battery in there. Remember, safety is always first. It does come with the hand strap. And that is, you know, if you're reaching up real high in a tree to cut a limb, if you would accidentally drop that, it's not going to go anywhere. So, that's good. But if you have a real big hand, I would say that's not going to, your hand won't fit in there. And they were thinking of safety. The strap is still short enough that it doesn't reach in to this chain. So, yeah, it is really, and it does have a little sticker on here. It says, do not cut wood which is more than 6 inches. Well, it is a 6-inch mini saw, so we'll have to test that out and see how well it does. But anyway, we're going to put the battery. I don't know if this already come charged. We'll see. What I find so far is, now I have a electric battery operated leaf blower, and it's a Milwaukee that my son got me 2 years ago for Christmas. And on that battery, it has LED lights on the battery itself, and you could push on it and it would tell you how much life you have left in the battery. This does not. So that's a downside on that, but it is what it is. Battery's in. It went in very easily. To take the battery out, you just push this here. Let me get that out there. Kind of hard. But anyway, we'll work on that here in a minute. It has a safety button here. And then your trigger button will not work unless you push this and the trigger at the same time. Just like that. Now I've released it. See? It will automatically shut off. That's a safety thing. Now, my grandson is left-handed. I don't see how, unless he could take his hand here and push on the button. No, it would be, yeah, you could, but then you're going to have to hold this with 2 hands. So, but it's better to use, it's right-handed. But it would get some used to for left-handed. So, I am trying my best to get that battery out of there. And it's not the easiest thing. There. Popped right out. So, I'm going to show you around here. My property line out there. Turn you around here. So, I got back there in the back field some little limbs and stuff growing up. Now, I'm not going to do that today because I do have a bad knee and I don't want to walk all the way out there to show you. And it would be hard for me to demonstrate because I have no help. So I'm going to later on today, I'm going to go to my sister's and I'll have her hold the camera down while I finish up this video. Until the next time, we will see you here in just a little bit. Okay, everyone, we're back here in the field. We're going to see what this bad boy 6-inch Saker mini chainsaw can do. Bear with me because I've never done this before. So let's see. This tree here, it says no more than 6 inches. So we'll see when this is down, and we'll kind of measure that. As a rule of thumb, for every line that's in your finger is 1 inch. So we'll see how true that is. Okay, here we go. And Dylan is behind the camera, my grandson. I think you better back up because if this falls, it's going to hit your head.
All right.
All right?
All right.
Okay, here we go, y'all. Okay, everyone, we're back here in the field. We're going to see what this little bad boy's going to do. My grandson is behind the camera, so he's doing the filming today. Hope this all turns out okay. Now, if he zooms in on this, you can see I've already cut one down, and we're going to do, this was a 3-inch right here, and this had no problem going through, and let me demonstrate that again. That cut through that really well. That was 3 inches. And like I said, for every line that's in your finger is 1 inch. So when I put my finger on that, my line, that's a 3-inch. It did very well. Remember, this ain't no heavy duty. You let the saw do the work and don't put any pressure on it whatsoever. Okay, so let's go up here and get these little ones. Okay. Doing really well. Let's go over here. I've got a lot of trimming. Did I break it?
No, you didn't. It's still recording.
Okay, hey, that's the blooper. That was a dead limb that came out of the tree. Just fell on my grandson and knocked the phone out of his hand. So here we go. Well, that did that one very well. I'd say that one was about a 3-inch. Okay, here we go. Just let it do the work. It's going to be some good firewood here. Okay, we'll do a couple more for... I think this little saw is doing a great job. Okay, this Shaker 6-inch chainsaw is, I think, wonderful for a little saw, for a little mini saw. So, my opinion on this, it's a great little mini saw for doing your outside trimming. That way you don't have to get your pruners out. Would I buy this? Absolutely. I would definitely buy this. And I want to thank Shaker for giving me the opportunity to view this. So we worked this for 15 minutes. It's done a wonderful job. And I also would like to say, I'm going to leave the link in my description if y'all want to go view this. And as a reminder, I do not get any commission on this Shaker miniature chainsaw. So, till the next video, I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Share my video. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day.